Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Homecoming. So guys, this episode opens up with the Kubega family ekseni balu breakfast. Listen guys, phela last week uSifiso ubambe ubophe uVusi and uVusi ulele emaselini guys. So on this episode uVusi uphumile. Phela last week one of the episodes, or how last week's episode closed off on Wednesday, uMaNkwanyane said to uSifiso, listen, if you're gonna keep lengane emaselini ngcono umbophe nami. Shuthi-ke uSifiso felt like, you know what, he has to take out uVusi. But listen, everyone endlini is treating uSifiso like he is a bad brother, and they're giving uVusi the special treatment because he spent a night eselini. So anyway, there uNomalanga is bringing food for uVusi. uVusi is busy sitting there. She then says, naku. uVusi takes the food. He then says, ngiyabonga. uNomalanga then says, yazi ngiyajabula ukuthi usubuyile ekhaya. She looks at uMaNkwanyane. She then says, ngiyabonga ma, like, thank you ma for bringing my brother back home. uMaGumede then says, bamba. She gives uVusi a dishcloth. Guys, imagine bamthatha serious ngaleyo ndlela yokuthi they even giving him a dishcloth yokusula izandla. uMaGumede then says, sula izandla before udle. He does so, you guys. uMaGumede then says, buka nje ukuthi wonde kanjani. Ungafunga ukuthi labo uvalelwe khona, you weren't even eating at all. Wondile, buka nje. You look like a broomstick. Kodwa Nomalanga yazini, ubukhuluma iqiniso ngani yami. Yazi uNomalanga bekhuluma iqiniso. She turns to uMaNkwanyane saying that ngokuthi ngabe uVusi wouldn't be here if it weren't for wena mntanami, speaking to uMaNkwanyane. uMaNkwanyane then says, ay, yena ubuyile ngempela ekhaya. weVusi, let this be the last time you act that recklessly. Uyangizwa? I don't know this path that you're on. uMaGumede then says, hayibo, usifundile nje isifundo sakhe. Angithi usifundile isifundo sakho. Vusi then says, yebo ma, futhi ngithanda ukuxolisa kunina nonke ngalento engiyenzile. uMaGumede then says, how? Uzuyaxolisa bakithi. But uSifiso is just looking at uVusi like to say, if you think everyone's gonna feel sorry for you in this house, mina ke khohlwa, you're not gonna get that soft treatment from me. Next scene, guys, ekliniki, uMatron is in her office, guys, and she's going through the suggestion box. Phela last week, uMatron heard that her staff is scared of her and scared to tell her their ikhalazo zabo face to face. So she then came up with something. She then said, kube khona i-suggestion box where people bazofaka ikhalazo zabo that they have pertaining uMatron, and it's going to be anonymous. So Matron is going through lezo ikhalazo, guys. She then puts her hand in the suggestion box, guys. She then says, eziningi kangaka, abekho baningi phela abantu bami ngaleyo ndlela, engathi umuntu ngamunye ebebhala 5. Athatha iphepha lokuqala, guys. She opens. Upenda ubuso bakhe njenge-clown. Mina, she touches her face, umangele. She goes on to read, amaqakala akhe ingathi afihle indaba. uMatron then says, amaqakala ama anjani? Yimishola ke le. Kanti this is what le ingane really think of me. Afundelinge ke, guys. uMatron akayazi into ayenzayo. uMatron then says, hayibo. She continues reading. Uyibhuli nje ezonda nangamagundwane awamthandi. Guys, ngahleka. uMatron then says, hayibo, lokhu is not a suggestion anymore. She goes on to read, ucabanga ukuthi wazi yonke into, sekufanele manje ayothatha umhlala phansi futhi akekho ngisho omthandayo. uMatron takes off her glasses, guys. She breathes out. Inyembe zvele zese, guys. She's crying there. She then says, Phindile. Phindile comes in, running in. Matron then says, ngicela ubize wonke umuntu. Ngifuna wonke umuntu eze la e-ofisini lami. Njengamanje, uyangizwa? Shesha. Phindile runs out of there. uMatron is left there wiping her tears. Kanti uMatron besingazi thina ukuthi uMatron unama feelings. Yeah, now she is touched by the fact that people are saying such things about her. ke. Next scene ke uMaNkwanyana usekamereni lakhe. She is putting the baby to sleep ekhothini. Then kungena uma wakhe kamereni uMagumede. Magumede comes in with a cup of tea in her hand. She then says, Sisi, ngibona engathi udinga ikomishini nje yetike. MaNkwanyane takes the cup. She then says, ngiyabonga ma. They both sit down on the bed. Magumede then says, ngiyabona ukuthi izinto azihambe kahle phakathi kwakho nomkhwenyana. Kodwa engicelayo yikuthi uqondise izinto. MaNkwanyane then says, ma, ngiyasibona sona isidingo mina. So kuthi kungani he felt the need to go about doing things this way. Engingaqondi yukuthi ngempela ugijime wakwenza. Magumede then says, sometimes you just have to stand by your husband's choices. MaNkwanyane then says, ayingeke ma, angivumelani nalokho. Ngiyafuna ma ukwakha ndawonye, but that requires us to do this together. Magumede then says, wena ke fanele ube yinsika yalo mshado. You the one who should be building this family. MaNkwanyane then says, ubuqotho bakhe kulento ma kuvele kwamvala amehlo. Magumede then says, kuyezwakala sis, kuyezwakala. MaNkwanyane then says, akasakwazi nokungibheka ma. Magumede then says, then use your wisdom. Use your wisdom without undermining his efforts to build this family. Unkosikazi oqotho wenza njengawe. Angithi uMaNkwanyane nods her head like she's getting her mother out, and then the scene just ends like that. Next scene ke at uShwabi's tavern. Guys, uMike is busy buying amapia laphayana. Unga sees uMike and he takes this opportunity to approach uMike to have a conversation with him. So Unga then says, Pramike was collecting amapia wakhe, walking off when Unga was trying to stop him. Ameke uPramike. Unokuzana Unga then says, kancane nje Pramike. Yazi bengithi ngizoza la kuwena, but now you here. So, singakhuluma Pramike. Pramike then says, what's this about? Unga then says, imayelana no baba. He has to go to Bergville to see the doctor for dialysis twice a week. Manje, sidinga imoto eqondile from someone who we can trust. Umuntu ongeke asibize imali ele phezulu. Ngiyacela Pramike, angisho ukuthi usise mahala cha. Ngizofaka upetrol, ngiyacela. Akekho omunye engamcela. Pramike then says, manje mina ngizotholani kuyo yonke lento? Or mhlambe uzongithengela obhiyanyana. Ungilinde uLesihlanu bese uzogcwalisa itafula. Unga then says, yazi Pramike, ngiyafisa ngabe benginayo yonke imali yokuthenga zonke iphuzo zakho. Kodwa le ekhona every cent mele ihambe iyofeza idingo zikababa yonke. Pramike then says, yabona ngaraje, uzenzo ngumnganami. Ngakho ke ngizonihambisa. Unga ancume guys. uPramike goes on to say, ngizonihambisa khuleka. Just make sure ukuthi there's petrol in the tank. Unga then says, hayi na kanjani, uzokwenza lokho. Ngiyabonga kakhulu Pramike. That means the world to me. uMike then says, alright ke, so bonana. And then that scene just ends like that. Next scene le clinic, bayahleba guys. Uphindile, uThando noBhutimandla bayahleba laphan. So Uphindile then says, yabona bafethu, she really got us good ngalowa suggestion box. Ngiyantshela. Phela guys, uMatron ngempela, she called a meeting and she told them where to get off. Ukuthi hey nina nikhohliwe, ukuthi I helped you, ukuthi nonhimindeni yenu ningibonga kanje type of things. I knew that this suggestion box thing was too good to be true. uMandla then says, ngiyantshela, that woman, she was sent from esihogweni to turn our lives upside down. Ngiyantshela, kodwa mele simbonise ukuthi yithina who call the shots here. Ngoba ngaphandle kwethu the clinic ingahlala ngezinga. Uphindile then says, vele. uThando then says, so manje nibona ukuthi siwenze kanjani lokho? uMandla then says, mina bengicabanga go slow bafethu. Uphindile then says, yazi if we keep provoking lowa mama, uzovela asijezise kabi kabuhlungu kabi futhi. uMandla then says, yabona if uyasijezisa We must turn up the heat. We must move even slower than before. Uthando then says lapho ke uzophoqeleka ukuthi ayishintshe i-roster yabo. Phela umatron ubashayisa was 7 p.m. guys emsebenzini and they are tired of that. Ayike next in a police station uMadlimini ubhizi laphana chewing her chappies angene uCaptain. Captain then says Madlamini ngizolanda umbiko wesibhamu. I've been waiting for it for insuku. Ay uMadlamini then says, yazi wena Captain, inkinga yikuthi bengisathi ngiyabheka ama-details ukuthi yonke into ihamba kahle yabona. Bengisaqala nje unginikeze as she's saying that he says, cha, asekho isikhathi Madlamini, there's no time. Ukulibala kwakho is going to land the whole team enkingeni. Madlamini then says, kunganjani Captain mhlambe ngikunikeze kusasa. Captain then says, Madlamini uzonginikeza le report njengamanje. She takes it out because she can see ukuthi Captain is tired of her tricks and her schemes. He grabs it out of her hand. He goes on to say, let this be the last time that I have to chase you around for your work. Madlamini then says, yes sir. He then says, good. And then he walks out. Okay, next scene, get umatron use office in like it drinking it here guys when her phone rings. So she answers and then says, yebo chairman, siyaphila. Oh, uDr. Zethi Hlongwane. Naye ukhona ukuthi nje uselifini. Yebo, I'm aware ukuthi contract yakhe iyaphela soon. Oh, hayi indaba ezinhle ke lezo. Yo, uzojabula. Hayi ngiyakuzwa. Okay ke, siyabonga. As she's busy talking, they're dropping her phone call laphayana front desk. Guys, you go slow, yes manga nje. Uphindile then says, what's up uthi? Chewing chappies while pressing her phone. Uthando noMandla, they are just sitting laphana kuyahlekwa. Guys, the patients are just so tired of these nurses because they want to be assisted. And the nurses are on some go-slow because nakatele, they can't go and shayisa u7, guys. So the patient then comes, he then says, sawubona sis. Uphindile then says, yeah. Uthi ubula nini? The patient then says, bengilana izolo. Uphindile then says, izolo. Then ahleke guys, uhleka into ayibhekile laphana efonini. UMakhumalo ke the shop owner aphakame when she sees uphindile laughing with the phone. She then says, hayi, ngeke, angeke, angizanga nangubo to spend the night kule clinic. Kunini sifikile from ekseni. Buka manje ilanga liyoshona manje and umuntu still hasn't gotten their medication. Kwenzakalani namhlanje? Thando then says, hey, nanko ke. UMakhumalo then says, ngiyafa yindlala. Galana, ngiyafa yindlala yi-BP yami yakhuphuka. What is this? Where am I? Umatron angene ke umangela ukuthi why is uMakhumalo memezaring so much? Umatron angene athi kanti kwenzakalani lana? UMakhumalo then says, we've been waiting here for so long. Umatron then says, nginehora nje elilodwa ngise-ofisini lami. Izinto seziphansi phezulu. Should I hold your hands? Njengengane. Ginikhombisa ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa. That time abonesi uphindile noThando noMandla. They are not interested. She then says, nikhuluma nani? Buka manje sesiyoshayiswa kodwa nibone iziguli eziyishumi kuphela. Hayi nyakazan sebenzani. Guys, they yawning there. Kuyabonakala ukuthi listen, they just doing it for the sake of. Umatron can see. She's like, Sheshani, ngikhuluma nani? Oh, angisangizwa manje. Angisazwakali mengikhuluma mina. Uthando then says, we, like to say ukuthi hayi uyasirasela nje. Umatron then says, yabona nina nobathathu. Ngizodila nani? You clearly forgotten who I am. She walks away. As she walks away, guys, besala behleka laphayana, bakhipha ifone bathatha ama-selfies. The patients bababaze to say ukuthi hayibo, umatron just khuzad you guys manje and you guys are taking selfies. Last scene ke guys, uSifiso is at uShwabi's tavern busy having beers. Uphethe his stress. Listen, uCaptain has the report now. Shooty ke guys, it's downhill from here. Angene uShwabi can see ukuthi uSifiso uphethe his stress, and somehow uShwabi iyamtikaza lento ukuthi uSifiso une-stress. uShwabi comes to uSifiso and says, lalela ke Sifiso, you see lo mfutho onawo when it comes to other people's cases la emphakathini. We want to see the very same mfutho when it comes to your brother's case. Yini ufuna ukufumbetha inokuzana isigebengu kwakho just because he's your brother? Lalela ke Khathide, mina as i-ward counselor yakho, I am going to be watching you to see ukuthi uliphatha kanjani leli cala. In fact, ngizwile ukuthi umbophile lo mfana wankhipha futhi. Listen, the whole community is watching you, and in the scene and the episode ends like that. Guys, the pressure that is on uSifiso right now, I get why uSifiso is so angry at uVusi, and his family is just not getting it. Everyone is watching him, and the reason why uShwabi is so mad, remember uShwabi, there was a time, guys, uShwabi used to sell alcohol to school kids. uSifiso gave uShwabi a headache. Now uShwabi, it's like it's his turn for his payback towards uSifiso, to say that you gave me such a headache about selling alcohol, and now I'm gonna give you a headache to make sure ukuthi uyayizwa lento ukuthi kunjani uba nomuntu ekumele with one thing. Anyway, guys, let's pause it right there. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.